Hello everyone. First, I will tell you about the specifications of the RFID portable reader. The antenna of this RFID reader is circular polarized, and you can see it at the front of the reader. The charging, power or battery LED indicator is located on the far right end. This indicator shows a green color when the battery is 100% charged, blue color when the battery charge is between 41% to 99%, and a red color when the battery charge is 40% or less. It takes 3 hours and 30 minutes to fully charge the battery, and it provides a continuous backup of 8 hours for data reading and writing. Just before the battery status indicator, you will find the Bluetooth indicator. When the reader is powered on, it will blink normally, and when the reader is connected to the application, its blinking will speed up. The switch on or off button is located on the other side on the right. To switch it on or off, you need to press and hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds. The reader will make a beep sound when it is powered on or off. On the right side, you will see 2 buttons. The first button is the function button, which is currently disabled. On the left side of the RFID reader, you will find a C-type port for battery charging. On the left side, there is also a speaker for the buzzer sound. You will only hear this sound when the reader is powered on or off. Now I will explain the process of data writing on an RFID tag and reading data from it using the RFID portable reader and the CRIS RFID application. To read and write data from and to an RFID tag, you will need the CRIS RFID application, which can be downloaded from the Play Store. Search for the PORTREAD application in the Play Store and download it. Once downloaded, open the application. The latest version of this application is Krishna 17.2. To log into the application, you will need a login ID and password. On the login screen of the application, you will see an icon for sign up. Click on the icon, enter your HRMS ID, and then click on Send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP on the screen and click Verify OTP. You will receive an SMS with your login ID and password on your registered mobile number, which you can use to log in. If you do not receive the SMS, you can click on Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your HRMS ID and click on Send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP on the screen, set your password on the same screen, and click on Verify OTP and Change Password. A notification saying password changed successfully will appear on the login screen. You can now use your new password to sign in to the CRIS RFID application. Let's begin by signing in with your login ID and password. After signing in, it is important to note that even if I turn off my internet, I can still write data on the tag and read data from the tag. Let's start with the data writing process. As you can see on the mobile screen, we need to choose an asset type here. We will choose the rolling stock on which the tag is already installed or where we need to install the new tag. Let's select our rolling stock under asset type. I want to write data on the tag installed in a coach. Therefore, I will select coach here. By default, the asset type wagon is selected. Below this, in select location, you will need to select the location of your workshop or depot. The nearest depot or workshop location will be visible on the drop-down screen. Select it. I have selected my location, New Delhi CD Coaching Depot. After this, the MAC ID written on the back of the RFID portable reader will appear on the screen. If it does not appear, refresh the screen. You will get a pop-up message to pair it with Bluetooth. Pair it and select the MAC ID. Select the MAC ID of the portable RFID reader here. After selecting, you will see 6 options on the screen. Number 1, read. Number 2, write. Number 3, send data to server. Number 4, my work. Number 5, tag related issues. And number 6, view reported issue. Let's discuss all of them one by one. We need to be cautious with the first and second options. For the coaches where the tag is already installed, we will first check their data. To check the data, we will click on the first option, Read. When you read the data of the RFID tag, you need to place the RFID reader near the RFID tag and click on Read. It will take a few seconds with a sound and you can see the EPC data on the screen. For example, is DV visible? Yes. Right side. Asset type, coaching. Year of manufacture, 2015. Owning railways, IR0 Southeast Central Railway. Vehicle type, LVPHX. Serial number, 152111. When you read the data of the tag, you will get three options. Number 1, tag is already verified. This means that a golden record is already created and you don't need to do anything. Number 2, data inside the tag is correct as per CRIS database. Please verify if it is actually correct. This will have two options. Number 1, verify. You need to check the displayed data and if it is correct, you need to select the verify button. Selecting it will create a golden record. Number 2, rewrite. If the displayed data is incorrect, you need to select the rewrite option and enter the correct data. Once you correct it, a golden record will be created. We will verify this data. If the data shows a 4 or 5 digit coach number instead of a 6 digit coach serial number, or if the coach side, DV/non-DV side or owning railway is incorrect, we can correct the data by going to the right option. If you want to install a new tag on a coach, you can write data by going to the second option, Write. Whenever you write data on a tag, you need to keep your RFID portable reader near the RFID tag. Let's discuss the right option. I will keep my RFID portable reader near the RFID tag and click on the right option. As soon as you click, you will hear a sound. The first option is DV visible, where DV stands for distributor valve. If the coach's distributor valve is visible to the person standing in front of the tag while reading or writing data on the tag, then you select yes. If the distributor tag is not on your side, then select no. Yes means you are writing data on the right side tag, and no means you are writing data on the left side tag. Here, I have selected no because the distributor valve is not on my side. The second option is owning railway. This information is written on the coach, so you can look at the side or the end of the coach and select it in the application. Here, I am selecting Northern Railway. The third option is serial number. Here, you will enter the 6-digit serial number of the coach, which you will find written on the side of the coach. Now, I am entering the 6-digit coach serial number visible to me. Then, keeping my RFID portable reader near the RFID tag, I will click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. As soon as I click, the information we have just entered will start transferring to the tag and you will hear a sound. A pop-up message will appear on the screen saying, "Please capture photo with coach serial number." Here, we will click OK and take a photo of the 6-digit coach number written on the side of the coach. Then, keeping the RFID portable reader in front of the RFID tag again, click on Submit and you will hear a sound. Data writing. After completing the data writing, you will see Success written in green at the top of the screen, which means the entered information has been successfully written to the tag using the RFID portable reader. Send data to server. If the internet is not available during data writing, the performed task will be saved under the Send Data to Server icon. When you open this option, you will see the data you have written. To send the data, internet connectivity must be available on your mobile. By clicking on the plus sign, the data will be updated on the server. To confirm, reopen the icon and you will find it empty with a message stating no data is available to send. My work. In this icon, you can view tagging work done today as well as in the last 7 days. By clicking the cloud button, you can download the record as a PDF file. Tag related issue. To report issues related to RFID tags, click on the tag related issues icon. You will find a reason icon which you can click. Here you will have 6 options to report your problem. Number 1. Tag damage. This means the tag is available but in a damaged state and it is still working, for example broken, burned, etc. Option 2. Tag defective. This means the tag is in good condition but is not functioning. This means no read or write happens, though it is not damaged. Option 3. Tag missing. This means the tag is unavailable but the hole rivets or tag fragments are present with the rivets on the sole bar. Option 4. Incorrect orientation. This means the tag is available and functional but is hanging vertically due to broken rivets. Option 5. Tag not fitted. This means the tag and even the holes for riveting are unavailable. Option 6. Other. Remarks. If you encounter any other problem, select Other and add remarks. Select the relevant option and click on it. Now, enter the 6-digit coach serial number along with the DV/non-DV side. Take the photo of the tag as well. To report the issue related to the tag, click on the report icon. View reported issue. In this icon, you can view the issues you have reported by clicking the yellow cloud button. You can also download the record as a PDF file for keeping records. Login screen options. On the login screen, you will see 3 options: Logout, Report, Help. Logout. By clicking on the logout icon, you can exit the application. Report. By clicking on the report option, you can report problems related to the RFID portable reader hardware, which will be monitored by Chris. If you encounter any issues with the RFID portable reader, immediately report it in the report section to Chris. Once you click on report, you will need to select your complaint type and if required, add remarks. Help. In this option, some literature is available for your reference. If you face any issue, you can go to the help option to resolve it. This section includes details of troubleshooting done so far. Tag locked issue. As mentioned earlier in the data writing process, you might face an issue where some RFID tags are locked. An automatically tag locked screen will appear in front of you, requiring you to enter the coach details, which might sometimes auto-populate. Complete the process as explained in the right option. After entering the information, when you place the RFID portable reader in front of the RFID tag and click on the plus sign, data writing will begin. However, due to the tag being locked, data writing will not complete, and the application will automatically display the tag lock screen. There, you can select the reason for the tag being locked and provide other related information such as is DV available. Enter the coach serial number on the detail screen and click on report. This will update the information related to the tag lock on the Chris server, and Chris will take further steps to resolve it. Thank you.